As we navigate the complexities of modern nutrition, it's astonishing to learn that despite the growing awareness of the importance of plant-based diets, millions of individuals around the world are still falling victim to nutrient deficiencies. The consequences of this widespread insufficiency can be devastating, affecting not only individual health but also global economic productivity. To understand the magnitude of this issue, let's take a closer look at the numbers. According to the World Health Organization, approximately 2 billion people worldwide suffer from micronutrient deficiencies, which is roughly 1/3 of the global population. The most common deficiencies include iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, all of which are commonly found in plant-based foods. So, what's behind this alarming trend? One major reason is the inadequacy of many plant-based diets to provide adequate amounts of these essential nutrients. While it's true that plant-based diets can be rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they often lack sufficient amounts of certain micronutrients, such as iron and zinc. Let's take a step-by-step look at how we can improve this situation. Step 1. Understand the nutritional needs of a plant-based diet. This requires familiarizing oneself with the essential nutrients required by the human body, including vitamins B12 and D, iron, zinc, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Step 2. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods. Whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are rich in a variety of vitamins and minerals that are commonly lacking in plant-based diets. However, even among these nutrient-dense foods, there can be significant variation in terms of nutritional content. For example, did you know that countries that adopted this approach saw a 40% reduction in micronutrient deficiencies within just 5 years? Step 3. Pay attention to food fortification. Fortifying staple grains with iron and zinc can help bridge the gap in nutrition. In fact, studies have shown that in countries where staple grains are fortified, micronutrient deficiency rates decrease by as much as 50%. For instance, Indonesia's national fortified rice program has led to a significant reduction in anemia prevalence among children. Step 4. Explore alternative sources of nutrients. Plant-based diets can be rich in omega-3 fatty acids from algae and chia seeds or walnuts. However, it's essential to note that not all plant-based diets are created equal. Some may require additional supplementation or strategic planning to ensure adequate intake. By acknowledging the complexities of plant-based nutrition and taking a comprehensive approach, we can begin to address this pressing global issue. The cost of inadequate nutrition is staggering, an estimated $12 billion annually in lost productivity due to micronutrient deficiencies worldwide. To put that into perspective, if every country implemented these strategies, it could potentially save 2 million lives annually. For example, the Indian government's National Nutritional Survey has shown that introducing fortified foods led to a remarkable 25% reduction in anemia prevalence among children under 5. Similarly, research from the University of California, Berkeley, found that supplementing plant-based diets with vitamin B12 resulted in significant improvements in cognitive function and overall health. The journey to optimal nutrition is far from over, but by working together, we can create a more sustainable future for global food systems. It starts with understanding the nuances of plant-based diets and taking intentional steps towards creating nutrient-dense foods that support human health and well-being. As we've seen, the quest for a plant-based lifestyle has become increasingly popular, but at what cost? Behind the trendy smoothie bowls and vegan restaurants lies a stark reality. Many people are sacrificing essential nutrients, leading to widespread micronutrient deficiencies. The statistics are alarming. Millions of individuals worldwide are paying the price with weakened immune systems, fatigue, and even organ damage. It's time for us to rethink our approach. We need to prioritize informed plant-based eating, one that balances nutritional needs with culinary creativity. By choosing whole foods, consulting registered dietitians, and advocating for accessible education, we can break down barriers to nutrition and forge a more compassionate future for all. Will you join the movement to nourish